The joy of helping Mataupu and Vins learn about serving others. Mataupu and Vins were playing in their cozy living room when they saw their mother carrying a heavy basket of laundry. Her face looked very tired as she tried to balance the basket. Mataupu and Vins looked at each other and realized they could help make her day a little easier. Serving others begins right at home with the people we love. Together, the two children ran over to help their mother. Mataupu carefully folded the warm towels, while Vins matched the colorful socks into neat pairs. Their mother smiled warmly, her shoulders relaxing as she thanked them. They learned that serving at home means noticing when someone is tired and doing small chores with a happy heart. The next morning at school, Mataupu and Vins looked for new ways to serve. During recess, they noticed their classmate, Timmy, sitting all alone on the green bench looking very sad. No one was playing with him, and his head was bowed. Mataupu knew that serving others also means noticing when someone feels left out. Mataupu and Vins walked over to the bench with warm smiles. Vins offered Timmy his favorite toy truck, while Mataupu invited him to join their game of tag. Timmy's eyes lit up with joy, and he happily stood up to play with them. They discovered that a simple act of inclusion is a wonderful way to serve. When they returned to their classroom, the wind suddenly blew through the open window, knocking over a tray of colorful crayons. Crayons rolled everywhere across the shiny floor. Instead of waiting for the teacher to clean up, Mataupu and Vins quickly scrambled to gather them. They wanted to help keep their classroom beautiful. On Saturday, Mataupu and Vins went to the community garden with their father. The garden was a place where neighbors grew fresh vegetables for families who needed food. The children saw that the young tomato plants were thirsty and drooping. They realized they could serve their entire community by caring for nature. With careful hands, Vins held the green watering can, pouring cool water over the soil, while Mataupu gently pulled away the weeds growing around the roots. They worked together with smiles on their faces, feeling proud of their hard work. They learned that serving means taking action to help things and people grow strong and healthy. At the end of the day, Mataupu and Vins sat together on their porch, feeling a deep warmth in their hearts. They realized that serving others isn't about doing giant, impossible things. It is about doing small everyday actions with lots of love and kindness. Anyone, no matter how small, can make the world a better place. The end. Thank you for watching.